That's Karma Lakeland, and it's beautifully done. Just recording a few clips. That's the first hole, starting from here. 3 steps and here. That's the next hole, second hole. That's my caddy. Oh, it's beautiful. Bogey in this one, second one. That's the third, straight in the bunker. Bogey here as well on the third hole. Bye bye, hole 3. And here comes the fourth one. Fourth shot right in the bunker. By the time caddy looks for the ball, some more recording. Beautiful. Score not to be recorded. Fifth hole. Where is the more? Just saw it. Bogey. Par 3 में bogey. 7th hole. Straight shot in the fairway. Score not to be recorded. समझ जाओ.